Hey, what up, guys? So we did get some requests on how this Bajoman actually sounds on the acoustic side, right? And with the EMG pickup and whatnot. So I'm going to demonstrate a little something for you guys here. But before I do that, I do want to shout out to Mr. Ruben Campos from DFW Roundtable Podcast. We did an interview with him, and in less than 24 hours, I did get a hit from a Ruben Castro all the way from Arizona who called me up and said, hey, I want number 2. So this is the number 2 Bajo right here, and I'm going to demonstrate it. And before it ships out, it's going to kind of be, approved, stamped, and all that before I ship it out to Mr. Ruben Castro all the way from Arizona. Thank you to him. Thank you to Ruben Campos, from Dallas. Thanks to everybody out there who is just showing me nothing but love and support. So make sure you hit the like, subscribe, follow, and all that good stuff. So to demonstrate once again how the Bajoman actually sounds acoustically, here's a little something.